And it isn't even raining out yet.
No, well, just starting.
Yeah, there's a huge wall heading right for us.
Like a wall. Oh, the water's coming. Feel it.
Wall, it's like a wall of water pretty much. Just one torrential downpour heading right for us. Whoa.
I need a metal bed, like strength. Summon the power of the gods.
Whoa!
Summon the power. Boom.
I think it's not even 6:30. And it looks like it's 10 o'clock at night. This is amazing. Yeah, the storm is surrounding us. Whew. Freak my thunder and lightning. This is great. Look at the flags. Oh wow. Woo! That was nice.
Oh, you see that? Wow. So I'm just gonna get like 10 pieces of pizza. Yeah.
Oh god. Sand's getting in my eyes again. The actual storm hasn't even hit yet. Wow! Uh-oh. Oh, here comes the rain now.
Hey, get inside. This is crazy.
This is great.
Yeah, storm catcher?
No, but that'd be nice. Oh, look at it. Here comes the real big rain.
It's fucking beautiful out here.
I know, right?
Go in there, you fucking fall off. What?
Oh, yeah.
Look at the
chairs
up there, Eric. They all just flew. Where the hell the freaking they all flew up. They're all
Yeah.
they're all in the mold.
All the lids are gone in this block, at least. Oh, here comes the downpours.
Dude, this is like hurricane shit.
I know, right? Whoa! Wow! I missed that too. Woohoo! That was something. This is when a wide angle lens is really needed. More lightning. Whoa! Yeah, good idea, cells. Close down. Oh, the wind's picking up even more. I know, right?
You can talk early. Look at my buddy.
It looks like it's like around 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night. Wow, that was about 5 bolts of lightning right there.
Here comes the heavy rain.
Oh yeah. Whoa!
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 You missed that one, dude.
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Look at that rain.